Uniform circular motion. The movement of an object or particle trajectory at a constant speed around a circle. Centripetal acceleration. The acceleration towards the center of the circle. Centripetal force. The net force exerted towards the center that causes an object to have a centripetal acceleration.
Three concepts in circular motion are centripetal acceleration, Newton's second law of circular motion, and non-existent force. The first concept is centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration always points to the center of the circle. An object with this acceleration is also called center-seeking. The equation for centripetal acceleration is a sub c equals 4 pi squared r over t squared. The second concept is Newton's second law of circular motion. This law states that the net centripetal force of an object moving in a circle is equal to the object's mass times the centripetal acceleration. The equation is F net equals m a sub c. The last concept is non-existent force. Centrifugal force is non-existent force. This is according to Newton's first law, which states an object will continue moving at the same velocity unless there is a net force acting on it. For example, if a car turns sharply, your seatbelt stops you, not an outside or non-existent force. Anna swings a 55.02 gram tennis ball attached to a 1 meter string above her head. The ball takes 0.62 seconds to make one revolution. Find the centripetal acceleration, the velocity, and centripetal force. To find centripetal acceleration, we use the equation a sub c equals 4 pi squared r over t squared. We know that r equals 1 meter and t equals 0.62 seconds. We plug these variables into the equation and get a sub c equals 4 pi squared 1 over 0.62 squared. Then a sub c equals 4 pi squared over 0.3844. A sub c comes out to be 102.7 meters per second squared. Finally, we find the centripetal force. We use the equation F sub c equals mv squared over r. When we plug in the variables, we get that F sub c equals 0.05502 kilograms times 10.13 squared over 1. FC then simplifies to 0.05502 times 102.7. FC comes out to be 5.65 newtons.